Welcome back to the channel, The Great Alex Mason. We're back with another one, back with Randonautica. We're here in somewhere in the Rotherham district, and we'll find, the intention was Randonautica, so we're going to see what we got. Probably an empty field as usual, an empty field. It'd be down here somewhere. Probably take us to a tree of some sort somehow. We might have to do some Bear Grylls climbing over trees or something. Yeah. Don't get paid enough for that. Hashtag ad. Maybe. Hashtag AdSense. Left a bit of Bear Grylls climbing. Bit of climbing. Don't know how I'm going to get over this. We'll have to go all the way around. We'll have to go all the way around. All the way. And Capo on the School Robin Mason's doing one, aren't you? I am. This first one. All the way around because these buses are in the way, aren't they? They are. This video is not sponsored by the Berg House and the North Face. It's not sponsored by them. But if they are watching, they can sponsor the channel if they want. Right. A green car thing got up there, like an escort of some sort. DJ Khaled, you know what? The best. We the best. And make sure you give this video a like and a thumbs up while you're here. And a nice comment below. Always helps the channel. Doesn't it? It does. You know the rules. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Then we can give you some real ads, don't we? There's a transporter and a transit van. You never know these days, do you? Some days you get hell of a lot of experiences, some days you get busts, isn't it, babe? Mostly busts. Yeah, mostly busts, but or is it because you're not doing it at night? That mode, UI. We'll go trekking across a farmer's field again. Another farmer's field. Then we'll and here's a point, look, on here, look. There is. We'll take a sharp left, won't we? To the left, to the left. It's over there somewhere, isn't it? Over there somewhere. Dog barking. You go that way round. Yeah, have a look at that, are you? Then get that up way back. Doesn't matter. Yeah. Went off the track. Yeah. I don't know what's happened on that. And there we are there, look. That's some more. We're there, so it's over there somewhere, isn't it? And we'll go that way. I'll show you something on the way back as well. And we'll see what that is. Well, that might be the start of the next one. So, if you want more Randonautica, give this video a thumbs up and a comment. The track is there, look. Farmer doesn't mind. Farmer don't mind. We've done so many Randonauticas, farmers are not bothered. Where we go? There. I found it again. Proper trek this one, isn't it? It is, and probably find nothing. More than likely. But if you have a look, there's something in the distance over there, like the edge is kind of like a building of some sort. You see it? It looks like a building in the distance. There's some kind of structure over there, like hidden in there. Look. Keep hearing dogs barking, so you never know what's around these days. As we've had isn't it? Did you hear that?
I did. Sound like help.
It did.
It did, didn't it?
Yeah, it did sound like help. From this side.
Over there.
Something doesn't seem right. Have you?
That sounds like football, but that first thing was like help.
Sounding demonic.
Sounded not normal.
Have you gone cold? You got goosebumps?
Yeah.
So there's some entity about somewhere.
It isn't normal, that.
No. Oh, we haven't got to pin yet. Pin's this side.
Pin's over there, but the help come from over there.
Keep your eyes and ears open, because our pin was Randonautica and we've already had entities already. I knew as soon as I heard dogs barking, but it's gone quiet again, hasn't it?
It has.
It's fun.
Might like be a sheep.
definitely something here. But like I said, if I've got to use these, I will. Innit, mate? You hear a whistle? Right.
With a bang.
We're gonna go this way. That's just a random. Just make sure I'm not hearing anything before I go in there.
Oh, it's just a bird.
Go in here and something's coming from over there. So just getting my vision right, scoping out the area first before, so I ain't put myself in no bad situation. I'll full send it, but we're gonna check the area. Check the.
We'll just jump over there.
Yeah. This is a better view. That's a good Instagram photo of that as well, but mate, you get that one when the intention's sorted. Come on. Yeah, we'll send it.
We've got all day.
Oh,
Well, I'm not going down there. I get paid enough for that. And I mean, I don't get paid enough is zilch.
no AdSense. So hop over that side. Listen. From this one.
You're saying bunch, you know?
Gotta give that a thumbs up. Look. Did you hear that?
Oh, there we go. Might be a pheasant though. There's an owl, isn't it? You asked for Randonautica, and I've just heard an owl just go whoo.
Possible, yeah. Got to be.
But then you don't. It's not 3 o'clock, is it?
So we're gonna go through there still. I still don't feel safe down here, you know. Do you feel like you're being watched?
And there's people over there.
There is.
What are they walking?
Llamas or something.
Alpacas.
Alpacas.
I'll zoom in.
Yeah, you zoom in.
And it will.
Yeah, they are alpacas.
Hmm.
They're walking alpacas over there.
I'm walking alpacas over there. Not 2 packers, alpacas.
Alpacas.
Oh.
It's right so far, lad. Not bad grill fishing, this, isn't it? Oh.
There's nothing at the pin anyway, is there?
Is that now?
Yeah, it was. Because that's the pin, because you asked for Randonautica.
We'll have to go around that way.
There's nothing there though.
Don't know.
You do know.
Should we go around that way? I am not a marine, so...
I'm not a marine and trying to keep my trainers clean. nothing there. You know there's nothing there. Because you heard it already. Whatever it was, you've had it.
We've heard that demon thing, didn't we?
Well, I don't know what it was. Some person shouting help.
No, we heard help then. Oh, haven't we?
And the owl twice.
Yeah.
What was that? That was strange. Like a snake.
Thank you for watching. The pin was a bust.
It wasn't a bus, was it?
No, it wasn't a bust, but
Someone was shouting help.
someone was shouting help. We've had strange noises. We still hear strange noises. We're definitely not alone here. And give this video a thumbs up. And the pin what we asked for, Randonautica, has gave us something. So don't forget, give this video a like, comment, subscribe for more. Thegreat Information on all social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and follow the man behind the lens, Capo_Robbie Mason. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Blah blah blah.